Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin D2 Bravo Titanium and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application, let's tap on More. Then scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. And here you should see the Bravo Titanium. Tap on it. Here tap on the More Options icon. Tap on Remove Device. And tap on Remove. Then close the app. Open the settings on your iPhone. Here tap on Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth settings you will see the list of my devices. On it you should see the Bravo Titanium. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Not Android phone, my bad, iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.